Determination of relationship among macronutrient intake and overweight obesity in school children from Celaya, Guanajuato, Mexico. A study of 225 school children, ages 6 to 13, in Celaya, Mexico, looked at whether the amount of carbs, proteins, and fats they ate was linked to being overweight or obese. Researchers measured the kids' weight and height and asked about their diets. The results showed no clear connection between the kids' macronutrient intake, carbs, proteins, or fats, and their weight. Other factors, like how much they exercised, might play a bigger role in childhood obesity than just what they eat. Introduction. This study explores whether the amount of carbs, proteins, and fats children eat is linked to being overweight or obese. Researchers examined 225 school-aged kids, 6 to 13 years old, in Celaya, Mexico, measuring their weight, height, and diet habits. Surprisingly, they found no strong connection between the kids' intake of macronutrients, carbs, proteins, or fats, and their weight. This suggests that other factors, like exercise, screen time, or overall lifestyle, might play a bigger role in childhood obesity than just what they eat. Childhood obesity is a major health problem in Mexico, affecting over 30% of school-aged kids. High-calorie diets and lack of physical activity are key contributors, with many children spending too much time sitting in front of screens. While some past studies have linked higher fat intake to weight gain, others found no clear relationship between carbs or fats and obesity. In very young children, under 5, high protein intake has been associated with obesity, but this wasn't seen in older kids. Mexico has declared obesity a national health crisis, leading to policies like clearer food labels to help families make healthier choices. Since diet alone doesn't fully explain obesity in this study, more research is needed on how exercise, genetics, and environment influence weight in children. The findings highlight that fighting childhood obesity requires a broader approach, not just focusing on food but also promoting active lifestyles from an early age. Conclusion. This study found no clear link between the amount of carbs, proteins, or fats children eat and whether they were overweight or obese. Researchers looked at 225 school-aged kids, 6 to 13 years, in Celaya, Mexico, and saw that diet alone didn't explain weight differences. Other studies have found similar results, suggesting that factors like age and physical activity may play a bigger role, especially when it comes to fat intake. Childhood obesity often leads to adult obesity, so understanding all contributing factors is important. While what kids eat matters, their activity level may be just as crucial. The findings suggest that fighting obesity requires looking at both diet and exercise, rather than just focusing on food. Parents and health experts should encourage balanced eating along with regular physical activity to help kids stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.